Hi guys, you're welcome to the cPanel for beginners course. I've put together videos part by part to teach you how to use the cPanel effectively. Now let's look into the roadmap for this course so as to let you understand what you're going to learn in this course. But before we do that, let's look into who this course is for. As you can see right here, this course is perfect for anyone looking to manage their web hosting effortlessly. Whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or a complete novice aiming to build and manage your own website. By the end of this course, you have the confidence and skills to manage your web hosting environment efficiently. By the way, who am I? My name is Ernest Jukes. I am a web designer with years of experience in practice creating user-friendly and visually appealing websites. I have a deep understanding of both the technical and creative aspects of web design. So in this course, I've put together to guide you through the essentials of cPanel, right? Helping you gain the confidence to manage your web hosting effectively. Now, let's go ahead and overview the roadmap for this course to let you understand what you're going to learn in this course. The part 1 of this course will have us look into the introduction to cPanel, of which we are going to gain a broad understanding of what cPanel is, its purpose, and why it is essential for web hosting management. We'll also learn about its basic functions and how it can simplify server management tasks. Moving on to the part 2, we are going to look into the dashboard overview. Of course, we are going to explore the main sections of the cPanel dashboard, and we are also going to learn how to navigate effortlessly, understand the layout, and familiarize ourselves with quick access icons and frequently used tools. The part 3 of this course will have us look into the file manager, obviously getting our hands dirty, right? And we're also going to delve into the file manager tool, which allows you to manage your website files without using the file transfer protocol. Now we're also going to learn how to upload, move, edit, and delete files directly from your web browser without the FTP. Part 4 of this course will have us look into the domain management. We are going to understand how to manage your domains within the cPanel. This includes adding new domains, managing subdomains, setting up redirects, and configuring DNS settings to ensure correct website functionality. Part 5 of this course will have us look into the email accounts. Now we're going to learn how to set up and manage email accounts for our domain, which also covers the creating new email addresses, configuring email clients, and setting up, forwarding, and managing spam filters. The part 6 will have us look into the database management. We'll discover the basics of database management in cPanel. We'll learn how to create, manage, and optimize MySQL databases, administer user permissions, and use PHPMyAdmin for database operations. Part 7 of this course will have us look into the security features, which is really very essential. Now we are going to explore the various security tools available in cPanel. We'll move ahead to understand how to set up SSL certificates, configure firewall rules, manage passwords, and utilize tools like IP blocker and hotlink protection for site security. Moving on to the part 8 of this course, will have us look into the backup and restore, which also ensures that we safeguard our data using cPanel's backup and restore tools. We'll understand how to perform manual and automatic backups, restore your website, and manage backup schedules and storage locations. The last part of this video is the conclusion and best practices, which will have us wrap up with the best practices for using cPanel effectively. We'll gain insight into optimizing performance, we'll gain insight into maintaining security, managing resources, and troubleshooting common issues to ensure smooth website operation. After going through this course, if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. And if this is your first time viewing any of my videos and this is your first time in my channel, it would be very kind of you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get into the course.